this is it, guys. This is a huge day. Just received this from YouTube. I never really thought I was worthy of it. Funny enough, the channel now, Anabolic Doc channel, is over 218,000 subscribers thanks to you guys. Today's the unboxing of what I assume is the silver play button. This, as you guys know, should have come after I crossed 100,000. Now we're over 218,000. So there's been a delay because I'm not a professional YouTuber, right? And we really were never sure about exactly how to go about all this stuff, you know. So we kind of sat on it, and my team is the best team in the world. Thank you guys, my team. But we just weren't sure, like, to monetize or not monetize and all these different technical things. So we kind of delayed on that until now. So, but let's go, guys. Let's open this thing up. Whoa, look at that inside. Whoa, super cool. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Just Rick. Rick, you're the man. Thank you so much, Rick. I hope you're subscribing. Got to keep you strong and healthy. Maybe natty, too. Keep you natty as long as we can. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you're going to definitely remember your 100,000 subscribers. So here it is. You know, I'm in the environment here with a lot of other YouTubers that have 1 million, this and that. And I am so humble for having this and to have you guys that have built me to this. Because here it is, man. There it is. This is the silver play button. Gonna have to figure out where we're gonna put it, guys. Definitely deserves to be right next to the diploma on the wall, the medical diploma. That's really cool, guys. Wow. Presented to Anabolic Doc for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. Big shout out to you guys for trusting me and for subscribing and just being part of my life. The channel's 5 years old. We made it on a whim because I was writing for the magazines, and I really didn't think this stuff was really going to go anywhere, LOL. And I was like, a patient of mine, his name is Matt, and he's a great dude, and thank you, Matt, because he said, Doc, you're not doing it. Let me take some videos for you. And right off the beginning, I believe I did Rich Piana's autopsy and then Dallas McCarver's. I mean, it was like, what is going on? And that started the channel, guys. Since then, I want to reaffirm my vows to you guys. I am here to make great content for you guys, mainly men, but we know women are involved with androgens and PEDs, and I am here as the Anabolic Doc to make sure that you guys understand the truth and the science, the real clinical truth for what will happen when you take PEDs, because you know it's not going away. And it needs to be understood for the young guys that are just fledgling and just naive to it, to really research and understand what the side effects are going to be from the health consequences. And that's it, guys. I'm here for you guys, super pumped and charged up. My batteries are charged, man. And we're going to make more content forever. Come on, guys. The next step is the gold plaque when I meet and I hit 1 million subscribers, guys. I thought there'd be something at 500,000, but it goes from 100,000 right up to 1 million, guys. So please subscribe. Please tell everyone about it. The Anabolic Doc is here for you guys, keeping you guys strong and healthy. Thank you so much, guys.